First, ensure the dock is securely connected to your ThinkPad via USB-C or Thunderbolt and powered on. Physically inspect the Ethernet cable and port on both the dock and your network for any damage or loose connections. A missing LED light on the dock's Ethernet port indicates no connection. Use the Lenovo Vantage app to check for and install firmware and driver updates for the dock. Outdated software is a primary cause of Ethernet issues. In Windows Device Manager, locate your network adapter, disable it, then re-enable it to refresh the connection. Run ipconfig's release followed by ipconfig renew in command prompt to obtain a new IP address. If basic troubleshooting didn't resolve the Ethernet issue, start by accessing your ThinkPad's BIOS settings and restoring them to default. Next, check your power settings to ensure Ethernet is enabled and prevent the port from entering sleep mode. Conflicting USB devices can interfere with Ethernet connectivity. Disconnect any unnecessary peripherals connected to the dock. For enterprise networks, VLAN tagging errors can cause connectivity problems. Consult your IT administrator for network configuration assistance. Overheating can also cause Ethernet issues. Ensure the docking station has adequate ventilation and is not obstructed. To isolate the problem, test the docking station with another laptop to determine if the issue is specific to your device. Regularly update your ThinkPad's drivers and dock firmware using Lenovo Vantage to prevent future Ethernet issues. If all else fails, contact Lenovo support. Remember, most Ethernet problems are software related and can be resolved with these steps.